welcome to another vloggy vlog. A little how-to, not really an unboxing, but could be helpful to a lot of people. So, as you know, I really enjoy and like my Kriega bags, and I have a US 20 and a US 30 that I've taken cross-country and go camping with all the time, but the new Monster 937 does not have a kit that's out as of this video, as of, what is it, April 2023. There's still not a specific Kriega fit kit that you can buy for the new Monster 937s. Well, I actually emailed them and reached out to them, and they put together a custom fit kit, and this is what it looks like. So essentially, to buy this, you have to buy Panigale 959 kit, and in the notes you can write "Make it fit new 2022 Monster 937," because that's what they told me to do, and this is what I got. So now I'm gonna go down to the bike, show you exactly where to attach this, and then I'm gonna try to fit the 30, because this weekend is the first time I'm taking the bike out on a long ride, and I'm very excited. All right, let's put this on. Shouldn't take too long at all. All right, so here we are at the bike, and the very first thing we do is remove the seat and remove this cowl here. And obviously you got to remove this bolt right here in order to remove the rear cowl. So here we are. Beautiful. Perfect. All right. So here it is. Here are the 4 location points that you will use for the Kriega thing. 1, 2, and then it's 3 and 4. And these are the straps that will go right here. So let's get to it. I don't have my head strap, so I'm not going to show you how I remove it, but so basically you take a little Allen wrench, loosen these 4, and put the other one on. That's easy. So using the bolts from there, I also put on a second washer to double wash it. So we'll see, and then we'll just put it back in here. So there we go. And one beautiful thing that you're doing when you do this mod, quote unquote, is removing this cheesy leather strap, which I never like. So there we go. One more strap to go. So there we go. All 4 straps are on. And one thing to remember, that you are bolting into plastic, so you don't need to tighten them really crazy. And one of the final steps is to attach the seat, because we cannot use the plastic cowl for this or it'll get scratched up by your bags. So put the seat back on. So that's what we're gonna do with this one bolt here. So there we go. We got 4 little tabs sticking out from on top of the seat. Now we put the seat back on, and we're gonna strap on the bag, and I'll show you the final product. So there we go. So there we go. There's your straps. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Make sure everything is nice and tight, and you're good to go. You can even stack another one on top. This is not going anywhere. It's a beautiful thing. So there it is. This beautiful, gorgeous machine that now has a Kriega bag. Oh yes. I'm ready for a trip. Thank you for watching. I know this was pretty pointless, but maybe it could help somebody.